Payback period concept. Getting back your capital. जब आप अपना पैसा किसी प्रोजेक्ट या इक्विटी में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो पहला सवाल ये आता है कि आप कितना जल्दी अपना पैसा वापस पा सकते हैं. That in a crude sense is payback period. It shows the time taken to recoup an investment. जैसा कि payback period concept historical या present data पर based होता है, it serves as a good metric for businesses to decide if a particular project is worthwhile. Any investment cannot be open-ended and has to generate cash flow such that the capital can be recouped in a defined period. Now, how to calculate payback period? मान लीजिए कि आप 10 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट करते हैं और अगले 5 सालों में आपको उस एसेट से पॉजिटिव कैश फ्लोज मिलते हैं. Payback period can be calculated with the following formula as under. We have broadly assumed here initial investment equal to rupees 10 lakhs. Opening cumulative cash flow year 1 plus year 2 equal to rupees 9 lakhs. Closing cumulative cash flow year 1 plus year 2 plus year 3 equals to rupees 12 lakhs. On the lower bound payback of 2 years, you add the output of the above formula 0.33. In short, payback period is 2.33 years or 2 years and 4 months. अब payback period pros and cons. Payback period का एडवांटेज ये है कि ये इजी है और समझने में आसान भी. इसे आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स और इक्विटी या डेट इन्वेस्टमेंट में भी अप्लाई किया जा सकता है. However, payback only shows time to recoup capital and not the attractiveness of the investment in terms of returns. For that, the IRR, internal rate of return, is a better measure. Payback period also ignores the risk aspect, which is captured adequately by IRR. However, payback still remains an important simplification of returns. उम्मीद है आपको payback period concept समझ आ गया होगा. और भी ऐसे इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा चैनल Blinkist and stay updated.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.